Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today's video is about my effortless minimal makeup look that I usually do on a daily basis. This look is perfect for college, office or even casual outings. And the best part is, it is hardly take me 10 minutes. It looks like a no makeup look. So let's start with the most important step, which is prepping the skin. For that, I'm using a toner. My skincare here is very basic because of course this is an effortless look. So I am using the Dot & Key Hyaluronic Rice Water Toner. It preps my skin so well. This is actually a very underrated step. A lot of people directly apply moisturizer, but toner gives that glow and makes makeup last longer. Koreans never skip this toner part, and since then I also don't skip it. Next, I will apply moisturizer. I am using the Lakme Hydra Boost Moisturizer. Personally, I prefer gel-based moisturizers because I have combination skin, and cream-based ones usually clog my pores, make my skin oily and sticky, and even cause blackheads, whiteheads. So I switched to gel-based ones. If you also have combination or oily skin, I recommend this one or the Pond's Hyaluronic Moisturizer. After that, I will use a skin tint with SPF. Once you apply this now, you don't need BB cream or foundation for daily makeup. It blends really well into the skin, and the best part is that it already has sunscreen, so you don't need to apply it separately. And yeah, this is from Dot & Key. Then I will apply a little concealer, just a small dot for my dark circles. I leave it for 2 to 3 minutes to set before blending. Meanwhile, I will do my eyebrows. I don't do too much, just lightly define them with Maybelline's brown eyebrow pencil and brush them with a spoolie. After that, I will blend the concealer with my fingers. It blends best this way. Now next, I will use a lip and cheek tint from Etude House. This is one of the best tints. It stays for a really long time, but you need to blend it quickly or it leaves stains. I applied both on my lips and cheeks. Since I love blush, I will also apply a cream blush from the inside. It's very affordable, long lasting, and gives such a nice effect. You can skip this step if you want. Then I will set my face with my favorite compact plus foundation powder. Honestly, this is such a hidden gem. I don't know why people don't talk about it. It's already my third purchase. It sets the face so beautifully. You really have to try it once. Now after that, I will apply kajal because without kajal, my look feels incomplete. Kajal enhances the whole look and it's my favorite makeup product. I'm using the K-Beauty Smudge Proof Kajal. It's long lasting, but I don't know why it dries out so quickly. If you know a solution, do let me know in the comments. Now next, I curled my lashes. I used to be scared of this, but now I think I have become a pro. I'm addicted to this part. Then I will apply mascara. This one is from Maybelline. This mascara is so good. It defines my lashes so well. Now you can skip eyeliner if you like, but I will apply a thin half-winged eyeliner and extend it slightly in the inner corners. Finally, for the lips, I will use a nude lip liner from Swiss Beauty. I don't overline, just apply it naturally. Then I will use my favorite pinkish nude lipstick from Nykaa. The shade is, I think the shade is Naughty Nude. I apply it and then blot it off for a natural look. On top of that, I will finish with a lip gloss. And that's it. The look is complete, very simple, best for daily use and so effortless. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment how you like this makeup look. Until next time.